Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School, and before we begin with our video, let us just discuss some important points that we all need to take care of. While going out, you should always wear a mask on your face. Then second important thing, you should have a sanitizer with you when you go out, and as soon as you come back home you should wash your hands for 30 seconds with a soap properly. Also, you should keep your surroundings, your home and the surrounding area neat and clean. Try to drink a little hot water 3 times in a day. Health is wealth, so please take care of your health and your family. This video is for class 2 subject science. Let us read one thought before we continue. You don't always get what you wish for, but you get what you work for. So, do you know the meaning of this thought? The meaning of this thought is that if you just sit at home and you wish that I want this and I want that, then you will not get anything. You have to work hard, you have to study, and when you study, you will get something new. When you study, you will get knowledge, and with your knowledge, you can get anything what you wish for. But without studying, you will not get anything. So you should see that sitting at home also every day you must study and must watch the videos. Then the topics which we are going to cover in today's video, we will solve the question bank of chapter 2, uses of plants, that we have already done in the previous lectures, but today the lecture is continuation of the previous lecture. The question bank which we were solving, we had not yet completed, so today we will complete the question bank of chapter 2. After that we will solve the let's remember exercises of all the chapters, that is chapter 1, 2 and 3, which we have completed in science. So the let's remember exercise which is given in textbook, we will do the revision of that exercise. So let us start with that question bank first. This was the question bank which we were solving in the previous lecture, uses of plants question bank. In this we have already solved some of the questions, like underline the incorrect words and write the correct words in the blanks. All this we have done. Then we had done give one word. So all these were the questions which were there in give one word. After that we have done question answers. In question answers we have seen all these images and we have learned these questions and answers. As you can see on the screen, this is what we have already done in the previous lectures. Then we had also done this fill in the blanks with the correct letters. See, this is the blanks which we have done. I hope you remember all these pictures which we have already completed. Then we had also done match the following. I hope you remember this, match the following and name the following. This is also what we had already done. Here are the images that you have seen and you know the names of these images. So let us continue further. So here we have to write the missing alphabets and we have to identify the image and write the correct spelling over here. See, this is the first image and this is the second image, as you can see on the screen. So can you identify this image? It starts with S, here is I, here is E, and how many letters are there? Can you identify this image? There are 6 alphabets over here. See, 6 letter word it is. It starts with S, I, and here is E, and we have to fill the 3 alphabets over here. So I'll give you 3 seconds to identify this image is of dash. This image is of spices. So what is the spelling of spices? Let us write the spelling S-P-I-C-E-S, spices, and I'll put it over here so that you can clearly see the spelling and learn the spelling. So let us learn the spelling S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. Then what is the image? Can you identify this image? See, there is some kind of liquid inside this, and it starts with O. Only a 3-letter word it is. So this is the image of oil. What is the spelling of oil? O-I-L, oil. A very easy spelling and a very easy word to remember. Oil is something which is also used for cooking, and it is also used for hair growth and maintaining the quality of our hair. So this is the image of spices. This is the image of oil. Then next, see, now this is a very popular thing. We all know this thing, and when we are sick we eat this. Doctors give this thing when the patient is not well. So it starts with M and the last alphabet is S. Do you know this image? This is the image of medicines. There are so many medicines as you can see over here. So let us learn the spelling of medicines. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines, and I have put it over here so we can learn the spelling. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. Medicines are the things which are given by the doctor when person is not well. Then this is the image of something which looks like clothes. We wear clothes every day. So clothes are made out of what? We get something from plants, and that thing is used for making clothes. So what is used for making clothes? See, it starts with F, and here the last alphabet is E. So do you know the image? Can you identify the name of this image? This is the image of fiber. We get fiber from cotton and jute plants. So let us write the spelling F-I-B-R-E, fiber, and I'll keep it over here so you can clearly see this. Read the spelling F-I-B-R-E, fiber. We can make clothes with the help of fiber. Then next image, this is something which is used by students daily, and we can also make some craft activities with this image. It is very colorful also, and we get this from the trees. So this is the image of paper. There are colorful papers as you can see on the screen. What is the spelling? P-A-P-E-R, paper. This is the image of papers. There are so many papers over here, and we use it for many different purposes. Then very easy thing again, it starts with R and here is B and E. See, this is the juice which is falling out from the tree. So what do we get from the juice of this tree? We get rubber from the juice of the rubber tree. So let us write the spelling of rubber, R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber, and put it over here. This is the spelling of rubber. We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. See, here is the spelling R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. Here is the missing alphabets. You can write the missing alphabets. Here also I have written the spelling, so you can write the missing alphabets. So this is the image of paper. Here is the image of rubber tree. Next, G-M, very easy, a 3-letter word. It is used for making glue, used for sticking things, used for different craft activities. It will stick one page to another page. What is the name of this image? This is the image of a gum. What is the spelling of gum? G-U-M, gum. And we'll keep it over here. See the spelling? G-U-M, gum. Very easy spelling, a 3-letter word. Here you have to write U. Next, W-D. Again, a very easy spelling and a very easy thing to recall. We can make furniture like table, chair, etc. with the help of this thing. We get this thing from the trees. So this is the image of wood. What is the spelling? WOOD, wood. And I'll keep it over here so that you can read WOOD, wood. Here just you have to write double O. Next. See again, can you identify this image? A very important thing which we use daily for taking bath in the morning. It starts with S, here is A, and it is a 4-letter word. So this is the image of a soap, SOAP, soap. And I'll keep it over here, SOAP, soap. Then this is the image. See, can you see over here what is written? Colgate is written. So this is the name of the company. We use this thing every day in the morning to brush our teeth, to make our teeth neat and clean. So this is the image of a toothpaste used for cleaning our teeth. So toothpaste is the answer. What is the spelling? TOOTHPASTE, toothpaste. And I'll put it over here so you can clearly read the spelling. TOOTHPASTE, toothpaste, used for cleaning our teeth. Next, very easy and very beautiful image. It smells very good. It has a very pleasant smell. It can be applied on our clothes so that our clothes will smell very good, and very pleasant smell it has. It is made out of flowers. What is this? This is the image of perfume. So let us write the spelling of perfume. PERFUME, perfume. And I'll keep over here so that you can clearly read the spelling. PERFUME, perfume. Next. Now next topic is unscramble the words. We have to unscramble these words, means we have to write the correct word from the wrong letters which are given to us. See, these letters are not arranged in proper order. We have to arrange this in proper order and write the correct answer. So let us write the correct answer from this. The correct answer is FRUITS, fruits. See, now I have unscrambled the words, means I have written this in correct order. Next, GEVEBAELST. So this is the image of vegetables. What is the spelling? VEGETABLES, vegetables. And again I'll put it over here. So these are all vegetables. Next, RCEAESL. So this is the image of cereals. We have learnt cereals and pulses. CEREALS, cereals. And I'll keep it over here. See, we have already learned. This is just the quick revision and a game. Unscramble the words. Next, SUEPSL. So this is the image of pulses. Let us write the answer. What is the spelling? PULSES, pulses. And I'll keep it over here. See, PULSES, pulses. Then a very easy spelling, ATE. From this we have to write the correct spelling. It is drank by most of the people every day. What is this? TEA, this is the image of tea. Next, again very easy one. Can you identify this? This is the image of coffee. So what is the spelling of coffee? COFFE, coffee. And I have put it over here. See, COFFE, coffee. Next, AOCOC. From this we can make chocolates. So what is this? Cocoa. COCOA, cocoa. And we'll put it over here. See, COCOA, cocoa. Next, RASGU. From this we can identify the image. This is the image of sugar. So what shall we write? SUGAR, sugar. And we already know this. What is sugar? Used for making tea and other items at home. This is the image of sugar. Next, ESIPSC. From this we have to identify what is this. We have to identify this is the image of spices used for adding flavor to our food. SPICES, spices like cardamom and cinnamon used to add flavor to our food. Next, IOL, again very easy thing. This is the image of oil, 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 and we'll put it over here so that you can see the spelling. Next, DMIENECS. This is something which is given by doctors when the person is ill or not well. So this is the image of medicines. The spelling is MEDICINES, medicines. We have already seen the image of medicines in the previous part of the video. Next, EBFRI. So from this we can make clothes we get from cotton and jute plant. This is the image of fiber, FIBRE, fiber, and I have put over here so that you can see the spelling. Next, EPRAP. So what is this? We use for writing. We write with pencil or pen. This is the image of paper. So the spelling is PAPER, paper, and we'll put over here in the blank, PAPER, paper. Next, BRUBRE. So let us write the correct spelling. RUBBER, rubber. We have seen many images of rubber eraser also. Next, MGU, again very easy 3-letter word. It is gum. What is the spelling? GUM, gum, and put it in the blank, GUM, gum. Next, DOWO. So do you know the spelling? This is the image of wood. What is the spelling? WOOD, wood, and I have kept over here. Next, POSA, used for taking bath. See, here is the correct spelling already written. So the answer is SOAP, soap, and put it in the blank. Next, OTOHTAPTSE. So the correct spelling, this is the image of toothpaste, 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 used for cleaning teeth every day in the morning. Next, the last image for this question bank. What is this? It smells very good and you can apply it on your clothes so that your clothes will smell good. This is the image of perfume, PERFUME, perfume. See, here I have written the spelling PERFUME, perfume. So this was the question bank of chapter number 2, which we have completed. Now let us start the let's remember textual exercise of all the chapters which we have covered till now. Let's remember textual exercise. So here is the mixture of all the 3 lessons, 1, 2, 3. Let us start solving. Circle the odd one out. We have to select the one which is odd, which is not the same. We have to circle that word. So let us do it. What is given? Trunks, banyan, and soft stems. So here see, soft stem is the odd one out. So we have circled it, soft stems, because trunks and banyan, they come in the same category, but soft stems they don't have. So we have circled soft stem. It is different word as compared to these 2 words. Next, it is given rose, hibiscus, lotus. So rose and hibiscus, I think they both come in the same category. Rose and hibiscus, they come in the same category, whereas lotus is different. So the odd one out over here is lotus. So we have to circle lotus because it is the odd one out in the 3. See, Lotus, lotus. That is odd one out. Next, neem, grass, banyan. So neem, grass, banyan is given over here. Which one is the odd one out over here? Neem and grass, they fall in the same category, whereas banyan is different from these two. So we have to circle the odd one, that is banyan. Let us circle it. The answer over here is banyan. Banyan, banyan. It is different than these two. Next, banyan, money plant, watermelon. So which one is different over here? Banyan, money plant, watermelon. In the previous one which we saw neem, grass, banyan, here we saw that banyan is different, but actually banyan and neem, they come in the same category, but grass, this one is different. So we have to circle this grass because neem and banyan, they both come in the same category. So let us circle grass because that is different in the category compared to this two. Next, banyan, money plant, watermelon. So do you know which one is different? Any one which is not the same? Banyan, money plant, watermelon. So over here you can say money plant and watermelon, they come in the same category. Only one banyan that is different. So let us circle banyan, that is the different one from these three. Next, grapevine, watermelon, strawberry. So from these three, which two are the same? Watermelon and strawberry, they both fall in the same category. They are similar to each other, but grapevine, that is different. So we have to circle grapevine because it does not come in the same category like watermelon and strawberry. So grapevine is the odd one out. See how many we have done. Let us revise all from these three. Trunk, banyan and soft stem. Soft stem is the odd one out. From these three, rose, hibiscus, lotus. Lotus is the odd one out. Neem, grass, banyan. Grass is the odd one out. Banyan, money plant, watermelon. From this, banyan is the odd one out. Then grapevine, watermelon, strawberry. From these three, grapevine is the odd one out. Next, answer the following questions. Now it is question answers. So let us read the question answers. What is given over here? The first question is, what kind of stems do herbs have? So we have learnt herbs. We have learnt different kinds of herbs in the lesson. For example, mint and coriander. Also, lotus is a water plant which comes in the category of herbs. So what kind of stems do they have? Do they have soft stem or do they have hard stem? What kind of stems do they have? Let us learn. Here is the answer. Herbs have soft stems. Right? That is the definition. Some small plants have soft stems and such plants are called herbs. So here is the question. What kind of stems do herbs have? Herbs have soft stems. So what is the main word in the answer? The main word is soft. S-O-F-T. Soft. See, from here we have to copy the question. Herbs have stems. It is the same. Only one word we have to add, that is S-O-F-T. Soft. Next, what kind of stems do creepers have? Now in this lesson we have also learnt what are creepers. Some plants that have weak stems and that grow along the ground are called creepers. So which kind of stems do they have? Strong or weak? Yes, they have weak stems. So let us write the answer. Creepers have weak stems. Weak means not strong. Easily it can break. So what is the main word in the answer? W-E-A-K. Weak. Creepers have weak stems. Again, what kind of stems do creepers have? Creepers have weak stems. Next, true or false? We have to read and identify whether the statement is true or false. Number 1. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. Of course, it is true. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. So our answer is true. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. Then rice and kidney beans are examples of cereals. Is it correct? Rice and kidney beans are not cereals, they are pulses. So the answer is false. 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 Rice and kidney beans are not cereals. Number 3. Cereals add flavor to our foods. False. What adds flavor to our food? Spices add flavor to our foods. So this statement is false. 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 Cereals do not add flavor to our food. Spices will add flavor to our food. So this is false. So it is true. Here is false and here is false. Next, answer the following questions. Name some cereals. We have to write the names of some cereals which are given over here. So let us write the names of some cereals. Here I have written the names of two cereals. RICE, rice. WHEAT, wheat. Rice and wheat are some cereals. Then name some pulses. Let us write the names of any two pulses. As you can see, I have written over here MUNG, mung. KIDNEY, kidney. BEANS, beans. Kidney beans. So these two are pulses. Mung and kidney beans are examples of pulses. Rice and wheat are examples of cereals. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct option. See, the options are given. We have to select the correct answer. So first one, what is given? We get dash from plants. What do we get from plants? We get fibers from plants. We have already learned this. Today we are just doing revision. Dash is used to make glue. How do we make glue? We make glue with the help of gum. 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 Next, dash is used to make house, furniture, boards and cards. So what is used? Wood. Wood is used for making furniture. Next, we get wood from trees such as dash. So from which trees do we get wood? Teak or grass? We get wood from teak trees. Then flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make dash. So what do we make from flowers like rose and jasmine? We can make perfumes. Perfumes are made with the flowers like rose and jasmine. So these are the fill in the blanks that we just read. So again, true or false? What is given? We get milk only from cows and buffaloes. Is it? Only cows and buffaloes give us milk? No, it is false. Many other animals give us milk. So this is false. Then we get eggs from birds like hen and duck. So that is true. We get eggs from these two birds. So it is a true statement. We get eggs from hens and ducks. We get meat only from chicken. Yes or no? Do we get meat only from chicken? No, it is false statement. FALSE, false. Because we get meat from many other animals, not only chicken. Next, we get silk from silkworms. Yes, this is absolutely correct. This insect, silkworm, gives us silk. So it is a true statement. TRUE, true. We get silk from silkworms. So these are the four true or false which we have done. We get milk only from cows and buffaloes. It is false. We get eggs from birds like hen and duck. It is true. We get meat only from chicken. It is false. Then we get silk from silkworms. It is true statement. So today we have done revision of question bank of lesson number 2, and also we have solved the let's remember exercise of chapter 1, 2 and 3 as a part of our revision. So I hope all of you have enjoyed the video. Please take care of yourselves. and keep watching the videos regularly. Goodbye, all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you.